Hi y'all, so today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. It's from this little small Instagram business. It's not very small, but it's not big, I don't know. But I don't have a freaking letter, but the brand is called Nude mints, and they sent me all of these 3 mints. They're like for your breath, those, you know, from those mints that you get from like Listerine with other brands, Altoids, I can't remember other brands, but these are keto friendly. I my stuff keep falling. It says keto friendly and they're sugar free. It says that it cleanses your breath and it freshens your gut. So there's 3 each and these package, so they look like this. This is the flavor fusion. I'm guessing is a lot of the flavors they have mixed together. So peppermint, spearmint, mad melon, berry, lemon, grapefruit, because they also have different colors, different flavors. Like for example, they have like red, orange, yellow, green. So I'm assuming like the orange is grapefruit, the lemon, the yellow one is lemon, like that. But this one, I guess they just gave me a mixture of everything so I can taste it and be like, okay, let me see which one I like the best so I can buy them from them. I'm assuming they're like, I don't know, that's just my brain process, but they look very cool because the case, look, it looks fun. It looks like a game, like those games when you used to play as a kid that you had to make. It was like a maze, and it had like a little ball thing, and it had to come out at the end or something like that. I don't know how to explain it, but that game, that reminds me of that game. Look, so I'm just like playing with it. I don't even want to eat it because it looks like little balls. It doesn't even look like mints. Like, you should put, it doesn't look like it's edible. That's what I meant. Like, it doesn't look healthy either, but supposedly it is. It's good for you, better than the other ones, but that's weird anyways. So yeah, I'm gonna taste it right now. I'm gonna open one. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's raining and it's so cloudy and dark and my light doesn't work, so it looks like it's nighttime, but it's not. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't like the rain. I don't like how it looks gloomy and fall. I don't like fall and winter months. It's just, ugh. It makes me lazy and it just wants me to sleep in, not do anything. As you can see, I haven't done makeup looks in a long time. Like normally I scratch myself because of that, the weather, and then also because I'm heating my face. And this never went away. It's making me feel like it's not a pimple. I don't know why. My eczema did heal, but anyways, something bit me. So yeah, that's why it looks dark and it's raining. Anyway, so I already took pictures of it and I already opened the box. And as you can see, oh, it even says nudemints.com here. That's a cool detail. Oh, it says nude right here, Nude. Wow, I barely noticed. It looks so cool, and this is recyclable. That's cool. So I guess you open it from here. You push it maybe, and then you, I don't freaking know how to use this. Okay. Like this. I don't know how to use it. How are these gonna come out? Oh yeah, I guess from this side. Yeah, I don't know how to use these gadgets. Let me see. Okay, there's directions in the back. So, okay. I guess I have to push. Okay, finally, there it goes. Oh, I got the white with blue one. Let me see the flavor. I think the flavor is peppermint or spearmint or mad melon. Let's see which one I get. It's wow, it's strong with one little one. You have enough. And the texture caught me off guard first. And it's strong, very minty. It's like worse than your toothpaste kind of minty. Like this actually looks like it's gonna help your bad breath. I still feel it lingering all in my face. I mean mouth. Very minty and fresh, but chemically, and it's not a good minty taste, but it's not sweet, so that's why it's not as good as the other mints. But I like it because it doesn't feel like it's not gonna help. This feels, I still feel refreshment feeling even in my throat. I feel it all the way here. That's how you know this is gonna work with your bad breath, if you struggle with that. So wow, I feel it everywhere. I really love these because this feels like it's working. That's why, even though it's intense. And the texture at first felt like little balls, like maybe boba balls. I've never tried them, those strings. I'm assuming that's how they're gonna taste, or like, I can't think of something. It's kind of squishy, but then I couldn't bite it. I was like, do you supposed to chew it or let it melt? And then it ended up melting kind of, and then I started chewing. So it was a mixture of different things that I'm not used to. So it's definitely not crunchy like the traditional mints, or hard. It was kind of squishy like a pearl, like, and then it melted quick, and then it like an explosion of mint everywhere in your mouth, even in your gums. You feel it, and then at the end right here, I still feel freshness in my freaking throat. That's intense. With one little one, I kind of want to get more flavors. I feel like with one you're good to go, and it's cool because it also helps with your gut. And most bad bread comes from your gut. If you have internal issues, digestive issues inside your gut, so sometimes people think it's from you know, not brushing properly or flossing, but sometimes it's from your insides. So I like that this helps with your insides and your mouth. So wow, it's pretty cool. So definitely, if somebody's breath stinks, give this to them as a gift. Be like, look, it's so cool, it's so colorful. But give them with other stuff mixed in together, like, so they will notice, like a care package, you know, self-care package. They will notice like that. Don't be like randomly here, because they're gonna know, whoa, does my breath stink? They're gonna think like that. So do it discreetly, you know. Don't do it so obvious. And it's pretty cool, like a person like me that likes to play things or fidget with things, or can't stay still with their hands or their feet. I'm always like moving like feet or my hands or my nails. I'm playing with my nails, I'm doing something. This is for you. If you get distracted easily and you want to play with something, just, you can use this as a stress ball, but with you just shaking it instead of squishing it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Or just give this to your kids, like, here, go play it or something. But like, it's so cool. Wow. But I can't stop looking at this. Okay, so I kind of want to do a taste of all of these, but the only thing that I don't like, the ones that I want to come out is not gonna come out. You have to, oh, I guess you have to like play. If you want a specific one, you have to take a long time for it to go inside down the chamber. I'm like, I don't want to do all that. I don't freaking know. Okay, let me just try and see if I get another flavor. Oh yeah, I'm getting the red one. Oh, it's not letting me. It's not. Okay, yeah. Let me taste it. This is grapefruit. I don't like grapefruit. The real fruit, I don't like it. It's too sour and gross. But this one is not as refreshing or as intense as the first one that I think is peppermint or spearmint. I think it was peppermint. Yeah, this one's not intense, but the bitter flavor that grapefruit has, I don't like it. I do like citrus fruits like orange, but the grapefruit is so disgusting to me. That's why I don't like it. Yeah, you know. So again, I'm salivating. Oh my gosh. Anyways. Okay, let me try and get the green one and the yellow one. I'm probably missing other ones. Let me see. I kind of want to taste. No. Ya agarré este. Did I get the green one? No, I want to get a yellow one. I want to get the berry one. Maybe that one tastes better. I think it's the red one, right? Or it looks kind of orange. I can't tell. Oops, it fell, but yay, finally yellow. I think this one's sweeter. Wait. Oh no, sabe a cerveza, like alcohol mixed with a little bit of expired lemon, a little bit, not really. But then it kind of tastes better now. I'm so salivating. Yeah, you know. I really want the berry or melon. These don't taste good at all. But it feels like it's doing something, so I guess just ignore the taste. No wonder they add sugar, because without sugar it's very too strong and chemically, like let me try. I can't find the. Let me see. I don't know if this one's red. I'm just gonna taste it. Oh, I think it's a berry. Really, it tastes like cough medicine when you were a kid, but extreme. With alcohol. Ay, no. None of these are good. The last one I'm gonna try is the melon. Mad melon. Yeah, this is gonna make you mad. Literally. It tastes ay, no, está fuerte. No me gusta esta perracosa. Está bien horrible. But as long as it helps my breath, and I'm sure I'm gonna get it. But it's also because I'm eating a lot back to back, just making it worse. That's also why. I don't know the difference, because there are like 2-3 green ones. I'm assuming the lightest one is the melon. I'm just gonna try the light green, I think. And so yeah, I'm taking a while because I have to play for it to stick in there. So let me leave. Okay, I hope this is the melon and not the spearmint. Oh, it made me burp. And kind of this one's sweeter. Oh no. It's almost like it tastes like agua de melón, right? Agua fresca de melón, but it's chemically. None of these are good. I think this one I tolerate more. The melon out of all the fruits. This just, but my favorite was the first one, because that one fell down my throat, which I think it was peppermint or spearmint. It was one of the mints. But I like that they gave me this, so I can kind of know which flavor I like the best, so I can buy some if maybe I need some. But because they said me like to, probably gonna give these away. No. These are intense. Oh, when you breathe in, I feel very cold and refreshing, like a frostbite. Like if there needs something to cool down, I just blow and everything turns to ice. That's how it really feels right here. Wow. This is so cool. I like how it feels, but I don't like the taste. It's so disgusting. Well, not so disgusting, but just no wonder companies put sugar. Oh my god. I'm gonna need to eat some candy after this. I'm not even gonna taste the other mint one, because it's obvious how mint tastes. I'm just gonna end it here with this taste test video. So if y'all try these, please let me know, and which one would y'all like to try out of all these flavors. Look, they're all there. I know. That's too much. Okay, let me take a picture. Ouch. Oh, I thought I turned off the camera. I hit my... Ouch. Oh, I kind of cut myself. Alright, y'all. So obviously I'm gonna eat another one of these candies. These are good. This... Oh my gosh. But the end was kind of bittery. Sour. Texture was too hard and I had to throw it away because I don't know if it was edible. But these are good for it because I don't really eat green vegetables that much. I wish I should. I know that. They also have gummy version of this if you don't like lollipops. They also have like the powder version where it's like a tablet and then you dissolve it in your water and you just mix it and drink it. Or there's different forms they have you eat these greens, vegetables. So they sent me this. I think they only had this one. Actually had this one and then another one that had a bunch of other things, but I was like, this looks like it's gonna be hard for me to get accepted, so I just got these. I kind of wish it was gummies because I prefer them, but like the vitamins that I take, like the... Oh, I ran out of the other ones, but I'm almost running out of these. I'm gonna do a review after I'm done with these. So I can't take this plastic off. Oh, it looks like a Superman, like a superhero. Look, it's flying. I'm just kidding. Wait, it tastes different now. Wait. No, it's probably because, you know, when you eat this and then I eat this and then this is making it taste different. But it's sweet. This one is sweet, even though it's healthy. Wow, this is good. So, anyways, if your kids crying, just be like, cállate el hocico. Just stick this in their mouth. I'm just kidding. But yeah. I'm just kidding. Like white shades, but the hair gets like that. But with this, okay, I'm gonna stop. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat this gummy soon. So yeah, okay, I don't feel the nasty, intense mint feeling anymore with this. Okay, so I'm good now. My mouth is great. So well, so I recommend everything today. This Look, remember when I hit myself? Look, it's red and then my skin kind of peeled. It looks like a burn. Oh, just because I like hit myself with this box, like the corner. Ugh. Ooh, kissy. I know that's not ladylike of you. I don't care. Get over it. Women burp too, okay? I don't care. You're like, oh, that's why you're single, bitch. I don't care. I don't care. Okay. The way, let me. Okay, yeah. Okay, bye, yeah, for real now. Thanks for watching. Bye. I have to leave.